What's up, everybody? I need to turn off the radio. I got the GMRS idiots arguing with each other in the background. It's really sad. It's like a bunch of little kids. They just anyway, we're gonna get on. We got a package here today from Amazon. It's a new baofeng radio. I haven't seen anybody review it. So let's just get to it. I need to sharpen my knife. Jeez. So either that or this Amazon tape's really good. Okay. Let's see what we got. Just lighting my way here. I need to get the GoPro out of here. My damn thing overheated while I was trying to film with it. It's like all the other piece of crap GoPros. So, this is the uv17. It says baofeng. uv17R two-way radio, flashlight, Li-ion battery, new, made in China. In a green bag. Very well taped. Alright. It's some really funky plastic too. It feels rough. Like it's like that biodegradable crap. Man, this knife needs to sharpen. Holy hell. And normally, I don't know what I did. Look at that. Oh, wow. I usually have a utility knife, and I don't know what the hell I did with it, but yeah. Look at that. Yeah. These are probably going to be like all the other ones. The box shouldn't be labeled or anything like that. Be pretty much no identification on the outside of the box as to what it is. Just says baofeng. And so yeah. Okay. Get her open. Box is in pretty good shape. I saw some postings on Amazon saying that from the sellers, hey, the battery's attached because in order for us to ship this on an airplane, wow, this thing is absolutely scratched already. Somebody was careless in packing this thing. And there's no screen protector on there. So this thing has got a gigantic scratch in it. Well, that fucking pisses me off. Maybe there is a protector on it, but... Okay, so anyway, so they're saying that they have to attach the battery to ship these on an airplane, which is absolute BS. They are dangerous with a battery attached to them. Okay. So, so they gouged the screen. There does appear to be a protective layer on it. But I didn't order a radio to get a gouged screen. So, this is ridiculous. Maybe it's fine underneath there, but I bet you it's not. So anyway, look at that. Here's the battery. I'm so sick and tired of the fucking bullshit with Amazon. Like, they either send you a used radio, they send you a boogered up radio. What does it say? It says amateur radio. Fake FCC ID, probably. Baofeng Electronics International Group Company Limited, something. Now they're using a Hong Kong address. Okay. Battery clip. If the clip's not on the battery, you screw the battery down here with a screwdriver, which I don't have handy. Use my finger. So, of course, I have to get the radio with the gouged screen. So I wonder if this is just a return. Some other people had complained that these radios look like this. It looks brand new. I don't think anybody's used this. There really wasn't even any fingerprints on it. Okay. Look at this. The thing comes with a hand ninja. Hand Jaya magnetic hardened two-way screwdriver. Ooh. This is so fucking cheap. Excuse me. I'm just in a bad mood. It kind of looks like complete ass. It's like the flexible version of a short one. USB cord. The usual headphone thing that I really wish they'd stop including because I don't want to pay for it. And then their latest favorite thing to do now is you definitely won't be taking this mobile on any of the other radios. And also, this isn't really the charger for this thing because you have to put in another adapter. So this is like a multi-use deal. And at any rate, there's a clip down here. We got generic instructions. It says it's the GD series, but it's out here.
Welcome. Channel mode.
Okay. Screen turns off pretty fast. Ew. Now this is... I don't know if this is an upgrade from the original. It seems pretty shitty.
Scanning begin.
Well, at least it says scanning correctly.
Scanning stop.
New voice.
Menu.
Hopping RX. Let me show you all what's on here. Boy, that beep is loud. So that's the menu. Let's see. The keypad feels nice. The speaker is behind the keypad. The PTT button is plastic, yet the button below it is rubber. Flashlight button is plastic. Or no, excuse me, it's rubber. So we have a flashlight down at the bottom. It's probably pretty useless. And at the button here. Looks like this thing's in here kind of crooked, so I'm assuming you're going to have some difficulty programming the radio. Yeah, that nice little scratch they gave me. And yeah, there's definitely the screen sticks out on these, so expect to scratch it, I guess, probably. So the radio, let's see, we compare it to the BFH6. It's bigger. So anyway, I just wanted to get a quick video up of this thing. So I'll do some testing and stuff, and I'll put up a video of like an official review. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.